right, so we're back, Project Frankenstein, and like always, I don't know what we're doing, but we're going to do something. So I might clean up those wires. I don't know. I might finish the wheel project that's taking me way too long. I might start the brakes. I don't know, but boom, let's check it out. All right, boom, baby. Or not. Well, that might be the culprit. You need gasoline to start a truck. So that could be, boom, a little bit of that. All right, so let's go get some gas, and we'll stop by O'Reilly's and see if there's something else we can find. I do need to get those wire covers to clean up some of these cables, so that might be an option too. All right, boom. I just went to the mailbox and check it out. Boom, 242 Auto Works. Awesome, thanks, man. Hey, that reminds me, you got to check out all my fellow YouTubers. So I'm gonna miss some people out of accident, so I apologize. But you got to check out Quint 1836. You got to check out Robert's Garage, 360 Customs. Here, how about I just give you the list? Here, check this out. So my patrons are on here too, but check out some of these guys. You got Big Belly, Garage. Who else? You got, just check out the list. All these people, you gotta check them out. Really good stuff. Let's try starting him now that he has gas. You know, go figure. Somebody wants gasoline. Oh, battery. Hold on. All right. Now we got the battery too. See. Ah, like a charm. Check everything out. Everything seems to be doing good. Now let's just do something for fun and let's fix that horn. I know it's kind of not really anything crazy, but why not? All right, hold on. clean everything up, I want to make sure obviously it works. It totally does. It totally does. It's such a small thing, but I like it. One more thing down, baby, boom! All right, so that's awesome. Now I just got to clean everything up, so boom. All right, so everything's sounding good. Now we're going to clean all this stuff up. Call that good for today. I know it's kind of a small project, but you know, why not? I thought it was kind of fun. So we got the horn wired up. We got gas. Frankie's doing good. So next video, I'll finish cleaning up all the wiring, but I got most of it done. And then what else? Thank you guys to all my patrons, anybody who supports the channel, shares the channel, comments, any of that good stuff. Check out on some of these thank you contacts as well. They have their own channels, so make sure to check them out. You got to check out Quint 1836. You got to check out Dudes with Wrenches. That's another good one. 615 Customs. You got to check out Quint 1836. You got to check out Wood and Metal Garage. You got Solo Rat Rod Garage, Robert's Garage, Stuff with Cletus, 242 Auto Works. Who else? You know, there really is a great group of YouTubers. If you follow Stuff with Cletus or 615 Customs or Robert's Garage, there's a really awesome group of guys. They're all auto YouTubers, and we all do live chats. They set them up. I don't have anything to do with that, but it's a great way to find some cool additional content. So I really recommend checking out some of those live streams. And thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next weekend. So boom, baby.